of our worship workshop. So we are going to go around and I'm going to ask your name and how old you are. Okay, let's start.
I'm Caitlin, and I am 9 years old.
Awesome.
I am Caden, and I am 6 years old.
Wow.
I'm Wyatt, and I'm 7 years old. I'm Caleb, and I'm 8 years old.
Okay. So tell me, I want to know more about you, okay? So first thing I'm going to ask, tell me what is your favorite food?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Three of them is hot dog.
Tacos.
Oh, well, them two was hot.
How about you, Caitlin?
Jollof rice.
Okay.
Hot dog.
Hot dogs. Yes, I'm getting hungry with this. Okay. Next question is, tell me what is your favorite thing that you play at home? I know like you three are siblings, so maybe you have something you like to play together, but tell me what is your favorite thing to play at home? You start.
Soccer.
Soccer? Awesome. How about you?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Yeah, you guys like sports.
Kickball.
Kickball. Okay.
Basketball.
Basketball. Oh, you guys all like good at sports. Like I'm not that good at sports. Okay, next question is, tell me your favorite worship song that we do at Pre-Kids.
Higher than the sky.
Higher than the sky, your love is deeper than the sea.
Higher than the sky. I love this one. I love this one. How about you?
Joy.
I choose joy. Let it move.
Joy. I love joy. How about you?
I believe in Jesus.
I believe in Jesus. I believe he came to
Good job. How about you?
Jesus is my best friend.
Jesus, you are my best friend, and you will always be.
Jesus is my best friend. Okay. And when we do worship together, I want you to tell me what you like the most. Like you like singing, dancing, doing the motions, or all of them. So let's see. You start. What do you like the most?
Dancing.
Dancing. I like dancing too. How about you?
Singing.
Singing. How about you?
Singing.
Singing?
Um,
All of the, yeah, he's my guy. Good job. And now we're going to do something very fun. We're going to do some motions to one of our favorite songs, that is Jesus is My Best Friend. And we're going to teach you some of the motions together, and then we're going to do the motions together. Okay, you guys ready? Ready? Let's go. So let's do it together. You remember Jesus? So you grab your hands, and you grab your middle finger, and you touch like here, like the nails on Jesus' hand. So you do Jesus.
Yes.
Let's do it again. Jesus. And then you're going to point to heaven like, you are my best friend. And then close your heart. And then next part, you're going to say, you will always be. So you roll this because Jesus is our friend forever. Right? And then my favorite part, it says nothing. So you do like, nothing can ever change that. Because nothing can change the love that Jesus has for us, right? Nothing. So you're ready to do with the music? You guys are ready? Let's say, hit it, DJ! Hit it, DJ!
In the sun, show me your way.
Ready? Jesus, you are my best friend. You will always be. Nothing will ever change that. Jesus, you are my best friend. You will always be. Nothing will ever change that. Yay!
Psalms 149, 3-4. Let them praise his name with dancing and make music to him with tambourines and harps. For the Lord takes delight in his people. He crowns the humble with victory.
See you tomorrow for our last day of our worship workshop. Bye.